think everybody should be required to take a midday break from work and color a cookie. ECG here. I'm going to show you how I cheat at flooding cookies with royal icing. So if you're like a really classic cookier, you might want to turn this off now because it's going to make your hair curl. But anybody else who's a normal human being is going to love this. So I've got some cookies here, some little cuties, and we're going to do something special with them. But first, we need them to be covered in royal icing. So I'm going to start with the trick that my friend Yuzu showed me. Oh, that's my microwave going off. Ignore it. So Yuzu showed me that you see these bumps, these little like warty things that happen. So Allison from Yuzu Yummies showed me this. You just take a microplaner, and you just like 2 swipes and they're gone. See that? No more warts. Yeah, wish that worked for humans. Okay, and then this is just royal icing, and I have thinned it down. Where's my thingy? Thinned it down. There's a little bit of guesswork in here. But I usually say that if you can do a swipe and it goes away in 5 seconds, you're good. So this might be a little bit too soft. So I think I'm going to add a tiny bit more of my royal icing mix powder, because it should take 5, 1, 2. Yeah, that's way too soft. Okay, so I'm going to throw a little more in there. That's Jenna helping. Hi, Jenna. Okay. No, I don't have 3 hands. I might have 3 hands. Okay. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3. Hey, look at that. That's about right. Okay. So normally, if you're not lazy like me, you would put this in a pastry bag, some thicker stuff, and you'd pipe around the edge of the cookie, and then you would go back with this thin stuff and fill in. But I just, ain't nobody got time for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this, and this, and this, and give it a little shaky. This is a toothpick. I'm just going to stab at any of the bubbles, and then give it a little shaky, shaky, shake, 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 shake. Ah, my toothpick stuck to my fingers. It's a messy process, but it's fast. So you just get rid of all the bubbles, give it a shake, get your edges, and that is going to dry just like that. And holy crap, that took no time. I didn't even touch a pastry bag. Magic. See you later. Hi guys, ECG here. I'm going to show you how to use these coloring book cookie icing sheets. They're new and they're super exciting. You can do them on Oreos as well, which I will show you in a different video, so you're gonna have to keep following us. But right now we're gonna do them on real cookies, like legit cookies. So this is just a sugar cookie. I have the recipe for Casbah cookies. That's from my husband's grandma. She's amazing. She has the best cookie recipe. It's sick. Look at these things. They come out like just totally flat and perfect, and they don't, anyway. So go onto the site and look for the Casbah cookie recipe. It's awesome. And then I just dipped them in royal icing and let them dry overnight. So they're nice and hard. They have to be hard because if you've got kids that are going to be on these coloring books, they're going to squish, kids. So we got to make sure that they can't puncture the royal. So that's where we're at. So I'm going to just take some of our Wicked Sticky edible glue and puts it in there. You don't need a lot. You barely need any, because these icing sheets really like to stick. And so if you get too much, they're gonna get kind of dissolvey and whatever. So I just took that, and that might even be a little bit too much. So I'm gonna just take what's left on my brush and do this one and this one. You can do them on, you'll see, one of them is exactly 2 inches. One of them is a little bit bigger, so that you have options. For if you want to put a border on there, you can, but I'm lazy and I'm not gonna. And then I'm just gonna take a second paintbrush a dry brush and just kind of get rid of, you see all that's on there? I don't want that much on there. So, okay, let's get that. Dry brush this stuff off. Okay. It's already starting to dry and set up. So, we'll do one of each. Sally's gonna do a little haunted house. And on this cookie, it's gonna cover the whole cookie. So we're just gonna do like that and squish down the edges. And it will kind of merge with, it's gonna kind of dissolve into that glue and become kind of one with the royal icing, which is kind of cool. So there's one. And then we need the ghost. Put him on this one. It's way easier to do on the bigger ones if you don't mind not having a, or if you want to pipe a little gap, you know, pipe a little something around it. Super easy to do it that way. And actually, while the glue is still wet, I could turn this over and dip it into Jimmies, and it would have Jimmies around it. Why didn't I think of that? Oh. Yeah. Hey Jenna, run upstairs. Top in the closet, left bottom drawer. Find me some kind of like Jimmy. Okay. And so we're gonna do this one again. You just kind of need to soften those, bend those around here a little bit. I know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna like the ones with the Jimmies better. I know it, because these are just gonna feel naked now, so I'm gonna be really sad. But anyway, that's not the point. The point is for kids to be able to color these, and there we go. We are ready to roll, ready to color. But I can hear Jenna upstairs just rifling through my... Yeah, I don't want mustaches, but purple will do. See how organized we are? We just like really prepare for these videos, don't we, guys? Okay, we're doing purple. Okay, so we don't know for sure if this is gonna work, but I think it's gonna work. And we're gonna find out.
Really?
Okay, look how neat she is. Okay, we'll see if this works. So we're just gonna stick this guy in here. Well, it kind of worked. Now my glue dried. Hold on, I need more glue. Glue. Where's the glue? There it is. Oh, that's kind of cute. I need a little more glue.
I like it.
Yeah, that makes it like way more fun. Makes it look like I did something instead of just getting the kids to do things. Okay. We will be back soon. Super cute. See you. Yeah. Now this is our Halloween marker set. And these are our Halloween cookies. And I promised Jenna that she could pick hers, and she picked that one. So I'm gonna do the ghost, and she's gonna do the pumpkin. Okay. And these kind of stuck. Sort of. Okay. Let's see. Oh.
That you can color right over the lines and it doesn't bleed.
That is kind of nice. I think everybody should be required to take a midday break from work and color a cookie.
This isn't a break, this is work.
Yeah, that's true.
Just have a fun job.
I'm sorry, I get paid to do this. In case you didn't hate me before. Bat. Okay, that's mega cute. Super cute. Okay. Oh, we wrote trick or treat.
Testing out that black fine tip.
Yeah,
Works
just
great.
showing off that you know how to spell, aren't you? Okay.
Kind of doesn't look good because trick